It was a great honor for us to host Aston Martin F1 and Pedro Del Rosa to the Miami Gateway. It gave us a great opportunity for us to show them our expertise, precision, and teamwork here at the new facility in Miami. I was hoping they would see the professionalism and dedication of all of our employees that they put into every flight to make sure we are delivering service excellent to all of our customers. How I would describe the Miami Gateway to someone seeing it for the first time is a small piece of what we do every day globally around the world.
Definitely the key is communication with the team, with the local teams here in Miami, and all departments working together.
Coordinating an event like this with filming done on site took a lot of coordination, a lot of pre-planning with teams involved, teams from different departments. Obviously, the Aston Martin team, such a high-profile company, we made sure that we were properly supervised and things were going safe and efficient throughout the day.
As a huge Aston Martin Formula One team fan, it was an incredible experience to have the car on site at the Miami Operations Gateway.
After spending the day with Pedro Del Rosa, one of the things that he mentioned to me that really stood out was the moving of the team location into one centralized place. And then when he started talking about just the amount of people that are actually in the team headquarters, supporting both, the race day of, as well as all the activities that have to happen prior to the race. It was just amazing. And really, honestly, it brought us even more in alignment together with the synergies between Atlas Air and, of course, the Aston Martin Aramco Formula One team. One of the things that I hope that people take from the behind-the-scenes look really is all of the work that people do day in and day out to be able to deliver for our customers. And I want our customers to be able to know all the amazing professionals that we have working every single day, 24 hours a day, to deliver the customer's goods safely and efficiently on time.